Hey guys, it's your boy Kiara from iDigiAffiliate, and today we're going to continue on our process of making money with Clickbank the easiest way possible using My Lead Gen Secrets. If you don't know, My Lead Gen Secrets is an emailing service that gives you 100 leads every single day that you could email every single day. So like one day that's 100, 2 days that's 200, adding it up together 3 days that's 300 leads you can mail, so on and so forth, continuously. And if you get a sale with My Lead Gen Secrets with an affiliate link, you get bonus leads, right? So that's 200 leads every single day. So instead of like 100 on the first day, then 200 on the second day, it's 200 on the first day and 400 on the second day, like that. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna mail Clickbank offers here. So anyway, the link's in the description if you want to log in. Clickbank pretty easy to get into, simple as that. Um, I got a link in the description for it as well. You can just log in, put in your information, very easy to get into. So when you first get into Clickbank, right, you want to click on Marketplace. When you click on Marketplace, it'll take you to this page here. Once you come to this page here, what you want to go with is e-business, e-marketing. Now, employment and jobs could work, but e-business, e-marketing is what I know works. All right, because the leads that sign into My Lead Gen Secrets are interested in making money online, so that's what you want to offer them. So you click on e-business, e-marketing like that, and what should pop up are the best active offers here, the best working offers here. So what you want to do now, out of the offers that I personally recommend here, is these first two, and continuously go back and forth with these two here, using this two. I believe this is the best way to make money, the fastest way, multiple sales back to back. So these two offers here work really well. I used to recommend going, you can test other stuff as well, but I know for a fact I don't got multiple sales on this offer here personally. I have not promoted this offer on this particular challenge yet, but it is made by the same people and the offer is really good, so I know it's solid. So these are the two ones I personally recommend you promote on My Lead Gen Secrets here. All right. Any other offer could work. I tried this, I couldn't get a sale on this here, but I have gotten a sale with it before. That's why I tried it, but I didn't get a sale on the challenge. But any of these can work. Trending in 2021. It's too low. Average conversion too low in my opinion. So I wouldn't check that. I might give that. I might have given this something a shot. $52. That's pretty solid. See, I didn't get a sale on this round, so I wouldn't promote this. I went with this for I think about 4 days. I couldn't get a sale with it, so I just decided to go back to what was working. So these two I know for a fact work. All right, so that's why I recommend these two. All right, so we're gonna go in. We need to get an email. So we go in. We figure out what our email is gonna be here. We're gonna click on email files. What did we promote before? What was the last email we sent? Okay, we just sent that email. Just sent this one. All right, so we want to promote this one. Facebook wants to pay you $175 per day. Okay, so this is how we're gonna do this. We're gonna go over here and go to the mailing system here. Make sure to click all our leads. Okay, now we're gonna pick Facebook wants to pay you $175 a day. Day. They pick first name at the beginning there. Place. Yeah, that's good. That's a solid. Make sure to add the name and like the amount of money you can make. They usually gets more attention than anything else. So that's why I added the how much money they can make and their name. It usually gets more interest in their attention. So we're gonna copy the link here. I name blah blah blah. Hit this blue line all best. And then we're gonna copy. We're gonna paste right here. All right. For signature, we're just gonna put our name. I name, we're gonna replace that. We'll replace country with pick your area. All right. Now let's go up here. First name fits here, copy paste like that. So you just replace name with this here, so it works for my lead gen secrets. Paste. Alright, we got that going. Everything looks pretty good. We just need to put our link in there. So let's go here. Let's get our link. Put it right here. We're gonna enter just one. Get the link here. All right. We're just gonna place the link in right there. That. Boom. 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 And there we go. We are done with the email here. Now, if you got multiple accounts, you keep this open. Make sure to click on perfect timing so they'll get the email around the time they are usually interested in checking their emails. That means that the first email they see should be the one we send them, or close to the top, so they'll check it. All right, so we send the email. We'll send the email and get that time there. Now, once the email is sent, if you have other emails you want to send, other accounts you have to send, you just make another account. You keep this open, you keep this file open, then you just go to another account, open another thing here, log out of this one, and then send it. So you can copy and paste this email here, right? So that's how you do that. And you guarantee to get sales with the top offer. I guarantee it. I made multiple sales on this challenge here myself, and pretty much if you look around on YouTube, pretty much everybody is promoting. Check out this particular offer here, and I think it works really well. So if you want to get started making money online, that's the way to go. You need at least 5 accounts if you want to make a living off of it. Personally, I think so. To make around $2,000-3,000 a month, you want at least 5 accounts. And you want 5 accounts to constantly be building. Now you'll slowly get more and more sales as you collect leads, of course, so it won't just stay at $2,000 or $3,000 a month, but I've seen it get to $2,000 to $3,000 a month. All right, I've seen somebody with 7 accounts billing up so fast. They're billing up so fast because they got 7 different accounts. Also, one more thing, I have an offer called Saving Highway Global at the bottom, where you can make money. You can start your business with only $20. Sales under this product are much more valuable because it's recurring income, and as long as they stay signed up, you can make money off of it. So I suggest getting into that there and making money off of that. So that's all I have to say. Wish you guys the best of luck. I'm trying to keep these videos a little shorter and not completely continuously state things over and over again. So I'm trying to keep them shorter and more quicker, get you to the information quicker. So that's what I've been doing lately. That's why the videos are getting shorter. All right, that's all I have to say. I'm gonna let y'all go on about your way. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.